Hey everybody, this is Leigh from Agápē Studios in Edmonton, Alberta. It is March 30th, Saturday today, and it is a beautiful day here in Edmonton, but it is a little bit chilly, so I'm dressed up. It's plus 3 degrees here, or something like that. +3 or -3, I can't, yeah, +3. So it is a little chilly, but where I'm at is at my neighbor's place. Joanne and Carlos, and what I'm doing today is I'm cutting frames for some of my pieces, and some wood that I've collected along the way. And a little story about how I come across meeting Carlos and Joanne is they moved in one day, and at that weekend, it was the weekend that I purged all of my tools from my construction business, and she had wanted to put a woodworking shop in her garage, and I happened to have all the tools specifically that she wanted and a little bit more, and so she gave her she gave her a good price and bought all my tools, and we became good friends. And now I come over to their garage when I need to do a little bit more bigger projects and use my old tools, and they're very gracious with that, and we just sit by the fire and enjoy one another's companies and projects and share ideas, and so it turned out quite the blessing for me. So that's where I am right now, and just wanted to show you some of the wood that draws to my attention because I have such a connection with nature, and I love being able to repurpose wood in such a way that brings my blueprint or fingerprint to the world and the way I see a piece of wood and why I get excited about it. And so I'm going to show you some of the frames that I have that I cut here. I'm just going to take you behind me here and show you the cool colors in it and what I see, and just some of the reds and the pinks mixed with the whites, and this with the pine beetles, they leave their tracks in the wood, and you can see with the pine beetles, a good way to tell is they leave a blue, sometimes blue or gray, and they'll leave streaks in the wood. And I'll bring you in a little closer here. You can just see the purple and the gray. So when I see a piece of wood like this, it just catches my eye, and the browns, And so I think I'm just gonna leave these frames natural and put a nice finish on them. Just a different idea, And I'll show you what these look like. So these will be 1.5 inch my frame. And then I kind of get these cool little strips here. You can totally use that for a project. I got a puzzle piece project that I'm working on. It's gonna be really cool. You guys have to stay tuned for. So anyway, the frame, look at this one here. I love the energy you can see in the wood, just the colors and the browns and the purples and the knots. It's just so beautiful to me. And this is what I cut down to make my frame, 1x4. And I love the knots, and it's like, to me, it's like its own little universe with its own magnetic field like the earth, and you can see just the energy flow around it with the grains. Just, to me, it's so absolutely beautiful. And then of course this here, that is my next 7 seals of revelation, and that's how it begins. Just like that, I cut my pieces, and that is my blank slate. And I see many, many beautiful things in this piece of wood, and of which you guys will, who are following along behind the scenes here at Agápē Studios, will soon find out. So I mean, how cool is that? I mean, I absolutely am in love every day with just working with the beautiful, what Earth provides for us, and to put my own authentic spin on what I see in this, and share my art with the world. And that is my place of gratitude every day, for being able to do what I love and share it with the world, and make beautiful pieces and teach others how to do it. It's just, I can't think of anything better to do. And so I'm very grateful for it. And I hope that if you find inspiration here in any of my content, that feel free to share it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can find me on Facebook at Agápē Studios. And I hope to meet you on there. Tell me where you're from in the comments. And I hope that you find some excitement and joy in your life today. Namaste, friends.